Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain, and welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 91. Today, we're going to be answering a question I sometimes get. In fact, I got this question just last week from a new client. She wanted to know, well, how does the probate court know to get involved in an estate? When do they step in? And the answer to that question is the probate court does not know when to get involved in a estate, and they don't just step in. What happens, of course, we have to go back to why a probate is needed when someone passes away. Probate's needed if someone dies owning an asset that someone else needs to do something with, and no one has the authority to do something with that. So generally an asset that someone owns just in their name. Remember that if you own an asset jointly with someone and you pass away, the joint owner, the surviving joint owner, continues to own that, and there's no court involvement needed. If there's a beneficiary designation on an asset, the company would simply pay that asset or deliver that asset to the surviving beneficiary, and no probate involvement is necessary. But if you own an asset just in your name and you pass away, nobody can do anything with that. So a probate court order giving someone the legal authority to manage that asset is going to be required in order for anyone to be able to do something with that asset, whether it's a piece of real estate, your home, for example, or a bank account, investment account, automobile, whatever it is. So the probate court has to get involved. And they don't just know that they need to get involved, they only get involved when someone asks them to. So really, whoever is named in the will as the executor would file an application to open the estate and ask to be appointed as the executor. And if there's not a will, then some interested party who needs to do something with these assets would ask for authority to administer the estate. And at that point, the probate court gets involved, gives that person who has made the application for authority, gives them the legal authority to manage the estate. And then from that point on, the probate proceeding progresses until it's finished, until everything that needs to get done has gotten done. So that's how the probate court gets involved. They don't know to do it. They do it when someone asks them to get involved. So if you have any questions about probate administration, how that works, if you need help with a probate that you're involved in, and if you are in Ohio or in Michigan, we can help you with that. Just reach out to us. Our contact information is in the show notes. And I hope that was helpful for you today, and we'll see you again next week. Thanks.